y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V Bugger. What's up? So today I'm here with my January Curlkit. I can't talk today. And today I'm talking about hair, all things natural hair, yes. Specifically Curlkits. This is my first time ordering a Curlkit, and they were doing a promo special for the January Curlkit to be $9.99. So I hopped on that and it arrived. It arrived today. I ordered it, I think, on the 7th. They ship out all of theirs on the 10th of each month. So it shipped out January 10th. And it took about 10 days to get to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. This is what the box looked like. It says Curly by Nature. It's really cute. Curlkit.com. I think it's really cute. White box. And I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what's in here. Put the little thing. So we got the Curlkit paper. Like, it's really cute. The packaging is really cute, so I'm here for it. Let me take this out. It's a Curl Life. I don't know. This is like a brochure. Oh, okay, this is cute. The Curlkit founder. Hey girl, shout out to you. So it comes with full-size products. Full-size products. I don't want it to fall out the box. So I have Candy Curls. I haven't heard of this. Candy Curls, moisturizing leave-in conditioner enriched with avocado and argan oil. This is what it looks like. I've never heard of them before. It says no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones, no alcohols, no dyes. Whew, that's a lot. It doesn't say whose type of hair it should be for, so hopefully it's good for my hair. Y'all already know I have 4C hair, so not everything will be great on it, and it's winter time, so hence the wig. Protective styles are the move during the winter time. It's cold as crap in DC right now. So yeah, that's one. And then we have Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub, Anti-Acne and Clarifying. Okay, I'm looking forward to using this. That's what it looks like. That's really, And this is 4 fluid ounces. The moisturizing leave-in conditioner was 8 fluid ounces. So these are full-size products. I'm excited to use them. It said it's gentle homeopathic cleanser. Oh, I needed a cleanser. With African black soap, naturally exfoliates and removes bacteria, excess oil, and impurities that can clog pores without overdrawing or irritating skin. So this should be good. I'm excited to use this. All right, that's another one. And then we have Lot of Body. I love Lot of Body products, so I'm really excited about this. This is the Love Me 5-in-1 Leave-In Treatment. Detangles and conditions, prevents split ends, add moisture and shine, heat protection, and tames frizz. This is what it looks like. I feel like this would be very good for when you want to blow out your hair, or I don't know, just anytime you want to just detangle your hair really quick, blow out your hair or something. Or just, I don't know, you may want to do a wash and go or something one day. That may be good too. Because it says it's perfect for all hair types, including relaxed, natural, or color-treated hair. And then you have little packages. Curl Keeper, Total Control for frizzy hair. So that's that little package. And we have, what's this? Ooh, co-wash. So maybe the 100% natural Jamaican black castor oil. Co-wash gentle cleanser. That's by Do Grow. What else? We got a lot of these. Okay. Hawaiian Silky Apple Cider Vinegar Hair So Soft Conditioner for all hair types. Okay. So that's that conditioner. And we got the same brand Apple Cider Vinegar Charcoal Activated Shampoo package. Then we got the Hair So Soft Shampoo. Okay. They put a lot of these little packages in here. And what's this? Hair yogurt. Apple cider vinegar hair yogurt intensive treatment. I need to try some more deep conditioners, because I don't deep condition my hair very often because it takes so long on top of washing your hair. But I need to do that more often. Alrighty, that was the January curl box. It says empty. That was really cute. I have 3 full-size products and a buttload of, what are those things called? Little trial size ones. So I'm really excited to use those. And I will definitely, I think I'm gonna definitely do a review on the skincare and the What's this? This is a leave-in conditioner. So I feel like I could definitely do twist outs with this. Twist outs, braid outs, I feel like those would be good. Hopefully it has a lot of slip. And yeah, it says it's great for twists, twist outs, bantu knots, braids, wash and go, and more. I don't do wash and goes. I need to try. But yeah, so I'll definitely let you guys know how this goes. Check my Instagram for updates on that. And the facial cleanser, very excited. I've used a lot of body before, so I know that's good quality stuff. So, thank you guys for watching my short little video about the January curl kits. And please, please, please go support some black businesses, okay? Curlkit. Curlkit.com if you want to go on there. Curly by nature, that's curlkit.com right there. So yes, go support your black businesses. I think regularly it is $25 a month, but you get full size natural hair products, and you know natural hair products are not cheap, honey. So please, please, please support these black businesses, and I will see you guys later. Bye.